Hello student, welcome back in a class Easy Learning Primavera P6. In last session we have seen how to create a new project in a Primavera P6. Now in this session we'll be learning how to create work breakdown structure in Primavera P6. So we have seen this project we have created in the last session. So we'll open it by right click, open project. Okay, the icon is here, the project is open. So we'll go with the WBS. So this window is WBS window. You have to go to right side and click on a plus sign. Your number one WBS has been created. We'll give a name. Initiation. Code has already automatically taken by system. Again we'll add a second WBS. We'll give a name. Planning. Here you can see it. This WBS comes under this WBS, but our requirement is not like that. We want in same level. So you can use this arrow right side down below and you move. Now it's both has come in the same level and under the project. Right? So when you create a WBS, you as per project plan you can create your WBS. Once your WBS is created, then you go to this project name and you can see bottom side there is a different tabs are available. First is general, second is notebook, third is budget log, sampling plan, budget summary, WBS milestone, work package and docs, and manual. So slowly once you are expert in the system, then you will able to understand what are the tabs are there. But for our purpose, we'll work for budget log and spending plan initially. So student, in a creation of WBS is we are closing and we'll look for a next session how to create activity. So stay tuned, get benefited. Thank you.